All right, welcome back, my dear students. So just like I promised, I'm going to show you a couple more things about migration. And one of the commands that I would like to do is I would like to reset everything, all right, here, because, I changed my mind and I don't want to have any tables anymore. I want to, any migrations. So if I want to delete all these tables, I can, all right. So all I gotta do is just say, let's just clear our command and say PHP artisan migrate reset. Enter. They will all roll back. All right. So now if you look at this, Laravel CMS, the only table we have is migration because what we're doing is we're keeping track of the migrations, right? Of the batch. All right. So anyway, now let's migrate everything again. So I'm gonna say clear now PHP migrate. We migrated our tables again, and let's just refresh. We can see that we have all our tables again. You see how useful this is? Post users password resets. But now let me show you another one. A really cool one is that let's say you make a change in a couple different migrations, right? Instead of actually you rolling back manually and then migrating again, what you can do is run this command php artisan refresh. And what this is going to do is gonna roll it back, right? It's gonna take off all the data, the tables, and then it's gonna migrate it again for you, which is really cool. This is what I use most of the time when I make different, when I'm testing things out. All right. When I edit a lot of them, instead of doing going back and doing over, rolling back and then migrating, I just do refresh. All right. Again, you can learn more stuff if you run the PHP artisan command. All right. And then you will have all that information right here. Refresh, reset, roll back. Oh, another cool thing is that you can also check the status. So if you say PHP artisan status, actually not this one, is actually migrate status. Sorry about that. There we go. You can see that has this ran? Yes, it gives you a Y for yes. So if I do migration reset and I do the role status, it's gonna tell me has this ran, and it's gonna give me the no. All right, pretty cool stuff, guys. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a bunch in this application. I mean, in these lectures. And we're gonna be learning a lot more when we build our application. All right, that's where the really juice of the course comes in. So keep active, keep motivated. You're learning really cool stuff. I don't want you sleeping. If you're tired, if you coded too much, go take a rest, come back with a fresh mind, and be ready to learn more. Remember that you're doing this for you, for your family. You're doing it for whatever reason you're doing it. You're taking the course and you need it. So pay very close attention. I don't want you to study anything else until you finish this course. All right? Take care, and I'll see you in the next lectures.